How to update Snapchat app easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Snapchat mobile app easily. So as you can see, if you have an old version of Snapchat and you want to update it, it's very easy. All what you have to do is go out, and now all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Snapchat, and after you search for it, click on it like this. And right here you will find the update option. As you can see, all what you have to do is click on update and wait a few seconds. It will start updating, and after it finish you will be able to use it easily and fast with the updated version. Very easy and fast, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.